Waiting for the students. So we have already done some of the topics in our previous classes, right? So today we will just revise a little bit what we have done yet, or what we have done previously, and then we'll continue with it. Okay? Did you join? Okay. Is the screen is visible and I'm audible at the same time? Please raise your hand. Okay. Thank you for the confirmation. Okay. When we open Tally, if you have any doubt, then ping me 2 times. And if it is clear, then you have to ping me 1 time. Okay. So see, we have we have done in previous classes how to create a company or to delete a company, to alter a company. Yes, so I hope you have practiced in your home with the recordings, with the help of recordings. So when there is, see my screen and follow the cursor. When there is 1 dash, that is alter, and when there is 2 dash, then it will be control. So when we press Alt plus K, we get these options to create a company, to alter a company, to change a company, to select a company, and to shut a company. That is enough to be known. Nothing more you need to do with it. Okay. And when you open your Tally Prime, you used to get the screen like this. What the screen called? That is Gateway of Tally. GOT. What is it? GOT, that is Gateway of Tally. We can create company over here, that is Alt plus K. Mark my words, if you want to write anything, any point, please note it. Okay. When you have to create a company, you have to press Alt plus K. That is the shortcut. And for making you understand, I'm using the cursor to help you to point out the term which I am trying to explain it. But when you are giving your exam, or whenever you use Tally, try to avoid this. Try to avoid this mouse. Because whenever anyone see you are using mouse and Tally rather than keyboard, it seems like you haven't done Tally correctly. Okay. So the thing is, whenever we need to create a company, a new company, or whenever you need to alter an existing company, or whenever you need to select any 2 companies in between, and whenever you want to shut any company from the gateway of Tally screen, then you have to use the very first key is Alt plus K. I hope it is clear. And now whenever in between, see the screen here, gateway of Tally, whenever in the company you have to create any of the above. What is it? See, the first is create, option create. When we enter it, we come into this list of master, that is master creation. Master creation means the thing the thing you create all together in one option. Like when we used to learn anything in a single video, we used to call it as a marathon. Just like that, it is a master creation when you have to create any of the things regarding in your company. Like, let me explain you one more time. Because see in the screen at the left side, the Tally Private Limited, we are only working at the first company, that is Tally Private Limited. Here at the right hand side of Tally Private Limited, we can see no vouchers entered. That means no vouchers entered means we didn't have done anything in this company. We have just created it and nothing we have anything data about it. Okay, so there is showing no voucher entry. Whenever you will create the vouchers, when you account it, when you do cash flow statements or balance sheets, ledger creations, everything, it will change automatically. Okay, so here it is. When you are having these options, create, alter, charts of accounts, these all are related to based on this company only. All right, getting my point? Whenever you have to select any of the company, you need this, and whenever you have to done with the company, you need this. Hope it is clear. Is it clear? Let me know once. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. So here, when we enter, when we enter the term create, you can enter two alternative ways. See here, you can click on the option create. You can just see here is my cursor and I'm just pressing. You can't see my keyboard, so I'm just telling you, make you understand. When you just press enter, when you just press enter, you will find at the same thing. And when you press C, you see I have this yellowish line at the bottom. Quit. All right. I'm not entering anything. So when we enter option C, the keyboard alphabet C, again the same screen is showing master creation. Why it is showing? Because creates shortcut is C. Here any of the term you have shortcuts. When you used to use the tally, getting my point? When you are used to with the tally prime, now you can get it clear. So whenever you used to with the tally prime, you automatically started learning the shortcut keys you need. Okay, so here from the first point, create, we have shortcut of C. Okay, that's why the C term is in blue. Now you can understand alters shortcut is A. Now charts of account is H. We will get back to know what the create is, what the alter is, what the chart of account is, what's the main feature of voucher, daybook, banking, everything we will know. But for now instance, you have to know only the shortcut of create is C. No need to learn it because it's just a basic knowledge you can know, because only not the syllabus you are required to learn. Sometimes you need to know as per your general knowledge also. All right. When you are entering this, you will come in the screen master creation. From here onwards, you will have to create any of the thing related to your existing company. What is the existing company? Tally Private Limited. See in the left hand side, you are showing, I don't know whether you are able to show or not. So in the left hand side, you will get to show the Tally Private Limited at very hazy screen, but you will see it. अब अगर एकदम भी नहीं देख पा रहे हो तो थोड़ा चश्मा लगा लो, but you will get to see it. Okay, so here onwards, master creation, in master creation you will get this type of options. So from the first option is accounting master. Accounting master means the thing which you are need to do with your accounting terms. When you do or when you need any of the stock term, that is your inventory, that is stock group, stock category, stock items. For the stock things we need units, and to maintain the stock we need go downs. So these all are under inventory masters. Sometimes these questions are into your viva, so please listen to carefully. Accounts, when we used to maintain any account of any company, ledger, balance sheet, your journal, these all things are accounting. So when you create these things, that is your comes under accounting masters. When you create groups, when you create ledger, when you create currency to record the currencies, and when you create voucher type, what voucher type you are going to do, we will make you understand what the voucher type is. Maybe some of the students know what is voucher, and maybe there is some who doesn't know, so we will letting anyone that no one knows it. Okay, so next point is accounting masters is clear. Next point is inventory masters. Inventory means your stock creations, your stock things. Inventory masters means your stock creation. When you have to create about the stock group, stock category, stock items, units go down, you all need to have the options of inventory masters. Basically, you need to know these two things only. Let's start from the very beginning. Let's enter into it. That is accounting masters group. Now see here in the left hand top side, you will see group creation. So it is a name. Suppose you are having group creation means anything, you need to have a group. Electronics. Electronics is a group under which you can create any of the things. Maybe your AC, maybe your anything, right? So here in accounting masters, you need this type of things which will come under, debtors comes under Mr. A, Mr. B, creditors comes under Mr. C, Mr. D, anything. Just like you have to create the groups. I hope I hope I'll make you understand. Is it clear how to create a group? We will create everything according to the sums. First, I'm letting you know what the exactly term is, because mostly student doesn't know about what exactly it is. Thank you for the confirmation. Let's move forward. Next is accounting masters. The second point is ledger. When we come to this, we have this type of screen, how to create a ledger. So let me explain you first what is ledger is. I hope at the very beginning when you started, practicing accounts for the very first time, you came to know about what comes in and what goes out, and then after that you learn about how to make journals, and then after the journal creation, from the name or the from the goods name, what you have purchased, what you are in bank, what you have purchased in cash, and from where you have purchased, what you have bought, what for whom you have purchased, everything we need it in the journals, and then we put it into the ledger so that we can match it in the trial balance or balance sheet, right? So here the same thing, we are going to create the ledger only, but for the single terms. What it is? Only for the single terms. Suppose let's create it for once. Ledger means anything. Maybe I have already told you by default there is two ledger already created. Okay, so maybe let's suppose cash paid into bank. As per the question, cash paid into bank. So you have already cash there. So you will create a bank. You will have the bank account. Ledger name is bank account. So it will become under bank account itself. That is bank account. You can here type any of your banking details if you want to, continue with the details to be recorded in your tally, because tally is basically used in your companies, for which you can maintain all the records of the company, whether you are purchasing something, whether you are selling something, whether you are purchasing on credit, on cash, or on bank, or any check, or you are, depositing something, anything you are going to record. So these are the basically all options you need to record it, so that in future any of the terms you will not, you will not lose your access of this information. Sometimes we used to, forget our copies or diaries where we used to maintain it. It can damage also, but for Tally Prime, it will not damage because of the software it is. Software can go from this laptop to that laptop also, or any of the PCs or anything. Okay. So here on the section bank details, bank account details, you will have the account holder name for which you are depositing, account number, IFSC code, Swift code if you have it, bank name, branch name, and this is not required till now. Okay, so this is all you need to, and then you have to put the amount what you have entered for the bank account. Maybe it is of 10,000. Suppose I'm letting it for 10,000. Debit or credit, anything. Debit means to deduct. Okay, let's have to, what comes in, what goes out. Maybe let it be on debit only. Just wait a moment. Okay, debit. And then when you press enter, it will ask whether you should accept this window or not. So you will again enter, or you can put it Y for yes. So I'm entering it and it's gone. See, bank account is gone. It's not gone anywhere. It is on the ledger creation. So when you check, like, see, I'm checking by the alter options. If we go on the alter ledger, see, we have three ledgers. Bank account, right now we have created, cash account and PL account. Let's see the account we have created. If you want to alter anything, suppose we have wrongly entered account number, you can create again over here, and then again the same process you need to save. Again, it will ask for the windows you want, for the screen you want to save, accept or not. You will press Y for the yes, or you will just enter it, it will accept. And with, in your keyboard, when you press ESC, that is escape, that to go back. So I am pressing it, see, it is going back. I hope it is clear. Okay, next we are coming to the currency. Thank you. Here it is already done. So when we create, when we come to the create option, here it is two options, create new or alter existing. So we will create new, and then you can use any of the symbols. Let's suppose dollar sign. What is formal name? Dollar. ISO code, if you want to give number of decimals, how many decimals you need to go. Show amount in millions you need to. So anything if you want, you can done here, and it will save as a currency creation. Okay, next is voucher type. See, we will learn about what the voucher type is when we used to record the entries. Okay, then only you will make understand. Let's come to the inventory masters. Stock groups, I have already told you. See, stock groups like electronic stock category, maybe your any of the companies, electronics have Bosch company, electronics have LG company, Sony, anything you have. Then items, Sony Bravia you have, you know, LG TV you have, LG fridge you have, anything. It will likewise. Group is your electronics. You can have beside of electronics, you can have any of the things. Foods you have. Category, ice cream, biscuits, snacks, fast food, anything. Then you can record the ice cream, the stock item. That is your maybe cornetto, maybe your anything, you know, vanilla ice creams, or your there are so many types of companies. So many types of companies are there. Okay, so you can record on the stock items. And like how you will record it, like you will record in ice creams, you will record per piece basis. Okay, when you will record fast food, you will record per packet basis. When you will record your biscuits, you will also record per packet basis. So you will have to need to create unit there. When you will create unit, you know, symbol for packet, suppose pieces, you will see here the formal name, and then no decimal, zero, and we will enter it. Nothing, then you can create another unit creation. Okay, we have already created the pieces here. See, all right, and then sorry, and then we will come to the go down. When you will use this create new one, you will use any of the go down. Suppose you have in Kolkata two go downs. Okay, so whenever you need to shift any of the go down, we need only one go down. Let it for the example at the very first. You have one go down in Kolkata at take any of the place at Shiva Bazaar, suppose. Okay, so when you place the name Shiva Bazaar, go down under go down, you will came to know whenever you see the company, you will know okay, their go down is at Shiva Bazaar. Then again, if you buy a new go down, a new location in Kolkata itself, okay, suppose we have at Shyam Bazaar. Okay, so you will at the under go down Sham Bazaar. So if we have at Shiva Bazaar go down 4 ice creams and it's Sham Bazaar go down 2 biscuits. So all together we have 2 items. But for one go down we have each, for one go down we have these. So you can segregate these things by having different types of go down. You can here also have Kolkata, you have only one branch at Kolkata, one go down at Kolkata, you will have one go down at Delhi, you will have one go down at Mumbai, any of the countries if you want to, any of the cities if you want to. So this make you understand exactly the company actually what looking for, what the go downs the company is using, any of the things you need to know about the company basically. I hope go down is clear now. Is it all the points are clear, or anything if you need, do ask me, and voucher type we will make you know just right before when we'll start with the questions. Is anything if you want to ask me? Very nice. Just give me a moment. Okay, now we have done with the creation create button. When you created all these things, whatever we have learned just right yet, you will just enter A. Then you will come to know at alter section. And if you want after creation anything to alter, you will alter right from here, from this option. You can see over that was master creation and it was master alteration. Regarding this, like not more than this, you have any difference in between. So we have next option, charts of accounts. What does it work for you? It will like when we used to create, you see, whenever we get this ledgers to create one by one. Suppose we have 5 ledgers, you will create the way I have just explained you. But if you have 100 ledgers, you know, you will like ultimately you will enter. Sometimes maybe suppose your enter keyboard is gone, the key is gone. So that for the shortcut, we always use charts of accounts. We always use charts of accounts. When we go to the charts of accounts and then we press Alt H, then we select multi create. Then we came to this screen. It will come under the name of the ledger. Suppose we create Mr. A. enter, it will comes under creditor, suppose. Okay, and the amount you need to give, or if you don't want to give, doesn't matter, just enter it. You will enter, and you will go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, just like this. You can enter 100 ledgers in few minutes. All right, whenever you no need to, just whenever you ended your entering the ledgers or anything data, you will just enter. Then again, suppose it is 2, I have only one ledger, so you will again enter it. It will again ask you for the acceptance of this screen. You will press yes. If you want to, then press y, or you will enter it, it will accept. I hope you get the point what you are going to do with the charts of accounts. Is it okay? Thank you. See, now we are coming to the vouchers. Okay, V is your shortcut keys. Now see to the right hand side. Focus on the right hand side. See, at the very first, F2 considered as a date. Date means you can change date from here onwards. Anything your financial date, you can change here. See, if you click on it, or you can press in your keyboard F2, you will have the voucher date, the date for which you are vouchering. 2nd April 2024. See here, you have changed this date. Again, if I say 3rd April 2024, because it is today, financial year is going out 1st April. Again, we are having 1st April 2024. See, it has changed 1st April 2024. Likewise, you can change the date of the voucher period. Okay. And if you want to change the period date, that is 2021st April 2024 to 31st March 2025. If you want to change the dates to the 2023 to 2024, you can change from here on. Just enter and just enter. It will save automatically. All right. Okay. Now F3, for which company you are working for. See, I'm working for the Tally Private Limited. Although you can see here, see my cursor, you can see here for which company you are working for. Now, listen to me carefully. When you will get your projects from your colleges, you will ask for having the screenshots of the screen you are doing the steps. They will give you like create company. They will give you the topic. You need to create company. When you are creating the company, the first step is to the gateway of Tally. You have to screenshot that. When you enter, how to enter, Alt plus K, you have to take a screenshot of that. Likewise, you have to take the screenshots of multiple steps you are doing until and unless you are ending with the last step when you're done with the creation of company or done with the topic. When they are asked to voucher anything, voucher like voucher of any company, how will you prove that it is your project? It will be proven from here only. See, here we have Tally Private Limited. They are smart enough because they are teachers. They are smart enough. They are not going to provide you the same company name. All right. Suppose, suppose your name is Mr. A. Okay, your name is Mr. A. So here you are going to write Mr. A and your CU roll number or maybe your registration number. Maximum times they ask to write for the roll numbers. So continuation with your name, you have to write your roll number. So every single student have different roll numbers in it with them, right? So they are going to prepare the company name, their name, Mr. A, with continuation of CU roll number. So ultimately, your company name is different. So whenever you will take this screenshots, it will show right here that this is your company. So you will, you know, you will not have your smart intelligence that one of your friend will do this and you will you can copy from that. You cannot ask them for the screenshots because that is their company, and you are not eligible to paste the screenshots like, follow my cursor, like this cut. You have to screenshot this full with your desktop, everything. So there is no way to have any, friends screenshots to make your project help. Okay. So here on the very top, you have your company name. So if you change your company name, I have only created in this Tally Private Limited. If you want to create any of the company, suppose I'm going to create a new company for my project. Suppose I'm having Mr. A. Okay, West Bengal. So I'm just entering and just accepting it by Control plus A. Okay. I have already asked you to do this and then entering, and it is saved. See, my company name has changed. I don't know whether you are able to see this or not. My company name is changed. That is, it changed to Tally Private Limited to Mr. A. So likewise, this type of project you will get from your colleges. Okay. Next, if you want to change the company, what I'm asking before, see, you have multiples of company if you are going to practice in your Tally. So the company you are going to choose for which you are going to do the vouchers. So here you can choose the company for which you are going to vouch. Vouch means the voucher creation. All right. So here you can change the company, select company, or if you want to shut a company, suppose I'm shutting this company. It's shutting the company, not doing anything. See, my left hand side screen is already shut. Private Tally Private Limited is showing before earlier, but now it is showing Mr. A because I have shut the company Tally Private Limited. Let's come to the vouchers again. I hope it is clear till now. Is it clear? Okay, thank you for the confirmations. Now see, here so many you have so many options. The numbers F2 is for date, F3 is for company. So listen to me carefully. This right hand column till the F10, you have to remember every single shortcut. You have to remember this because in Viva section, they used to ask this type of question. They can ask you like this, say the shortcut for contra. You have to answer F4. They can ask you, say the shortcut of journal. You have to say F7. All right. So you need to learn this. They can say like this, what comes after contra? You have to say payment. Like this, you have to remember this all shortcuts and keys. Okay. So now we are discussing the contra first. We have already discussed in our previous classes. Are you recalling, like, are you remembering this? What we have already done in previous classes? What does contra, payment, receive, journal, sales, purchase? Can you remember this? If yes, then raise your hand. Then I'll just jump to the questions. Okay. If you are recalling this, then it's very fine. So let's start with the questions, how to make the vouchers. So now today's topic, we are going to start with the new topic. We are going to learn how to create a voucher. Okay. I have already given you the sums. I have asked you to make some of the journals at your home. Can you send me the picture? Can you send me your sums picture? What I have given you the questions, so accordingly I will do in my screen so that it will make you understand more practical. So can you send me any of the sum from the very beginning if you have your copy with yourself? Please send me it in the WhatsApp. Let's wait. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. First, Mr. Alok started business with cash 1 lakh. Okay. So here, from here, you have done the cash account debit to Mr. Alok. Right? You have done cash account debit to Mr. Alok. So now you are going to first try to understand what comes in and what goes out. Your capital is going out. Capital is a form of cash, isn't it? Okay, okay, thank you. See, capital is a form of cash itself. But for the business, any company or the person is the owner of the company is two different separate legal entity, right? When you are investing into the business as a owner, it will convert into the capital of that business. Okay. So now the cash account debit to capital account. So cash is coming in and capital is going out. So what you are receiving? You are receiving something now. As you can see, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So comes in is cash. It means you are receiving cash. So see here, contra when we having cash and bank together. When we are paying something, in this case, cash account debit to capital account, we are not paying anything. In receipt means we are receiving something. So in this question, we can make understand we are receiving cash itself. So click on this F6. Don't use mouse. I am using it because to make you know what I am clicking. If randomly the screen opens out, you will just confuse how it is opened. Okay, that's why I am showing the cursor right here, that you will have to click on the receipt, that is from keyboard F6. When you just click, you will have the screen like this. Okay, from the receipt, that is here, see in the left hand side, we are having receipt number 1, that is receipt voucher number 1. All right, so voucher number 1, account of what account you are receiving? You are receiving what? Cash you are receiving. Account you can have like Mr. Alok. We have already asked for the Mr. Alok, but we didn't have created any of the ledger. So see from the questions, let's suppose we are taking five questions from the very beginning. See, I'm going out. See, from the here we are starting from the very beginning. See your question, Mr. Alok started business with cash. Firstly, we are having ledger. Cash is already done in our tally itself. Cash ledger. I'm talking about ledger only. Ledger of cash is already done. We are going to prepare two ledgers. That is capital and Mr. Alok. Let's create it. Create, and then we come to the ledger and let's create the capital. Capital account, enter. Here it will be also under capital account. All right. No need to enter any opening balance right here. Nothing. We are opening balance when you need to do, when you have in your previous year opening balance. But we don't have any previous year opening balance. We are just having today itself. So no need to write any of the opening balances, just as it is except the screen. Enter and again enter. We have entered the capital ledger. Now we are going to make Mr. Alok. Okay, Mr. Alok start his business with cash. It is our creditor? No. Done? You will just enter and just accept. We have done. Next, look at the point number 2. Received cash from Mr. Ramesh. See, what will be the journal right here? What will be the general right here? Received cash. We are receiving cash from Mr. Ramesh. So the journal will be cash account debit to Mr. Ramesh account. Right. So we are going to make only Ramesh. Whenever we have done anything ledger previously, doesn't matter. It is from the point 2, it is from the point 3, 1, 5, 10, anything. No, like, doesn't matter this point. If you have done any of the ledger before, no need to make the ledger again. All right. So we didn't have, we already have making the ledger cash. So we are going to make the ledger. What is the name right here? Mr. Ramesh. Okay. Only we are going to put the ledger of Mr. Ramesh. So Mr. Ramesh is received cash from Mr. Ramesh. So we are receiving cash from Mr. Ramesh. So it will also debtor. We will just enter it. Again, you are looking for the point number 3, paid cash to Tiwari. Cash is going out. Cash ledger is already done. Tiwari, we are going to create. Tiwari account, we are giving, means it is creditor. Just enter it and accept it. Then number 4, purchase goods for cash. So we have purchased something. So you can write here purchase. Okay, it will goes under purchase account. We have purchase not applicable, types of ledger not applicable. Just enter it. Again, we have last question, purchase goods by check. Bank we have already created, isn't it? Let's alter the bank option, because when we are using the word check, it means it is from the bank itself. Okay, from we have created the bank in the Tally Private Limited. So let's create here also bank account, that is bank. You can you can add any of the details if you want to, and just add it. So 5 points regarding our questions, ledgers are completed. So make sure to back the screen and now come to the vouchers again. So we have starting from the receipt, because we are receiving cash from Mr. Alok. So account will be C. Account will be what you are receiving? Cash. So cash you will write here. Okay. You will write cash. So whom you are receiving? Mr. Alok. See here, whenever we remember the copy you were using at the class 11, when you are starting with the ledger, you need to make the ledger account first, the cash account, and from whom you are receiving the cash, you are under the cash ledger, you are writing the name only and the amount only. Just like that, you here the account name is cash, the cash ledger itself, and from whom you are entering the cash? Mr. Alok. Okay. Then what amount it is? It is 1 lakh. So here you can write 1 lakh. Just enter it. On account, you will have type of reference on account. What you have? Type of reference, one account. 1 lakh credit. You can write being Mr. Alok started business with cash of rupees 1 lakh. You have to give the narration. being Mr. Alok started business with cash of rupees 1 lakh. Is it okay till now? And I need to know, Mr. Alok, see here, CURBL, that is current balance. When Mr. Alok deposited, when Mr. Alok deposited, our current balance increased to 1 lakh. Cash balance, cash ledger balance increased to 1 lakh. Is it okay till now? Okay. Then just enter. Date cannot be below the financial year beginning date. Okay. So by mistake, it was 31st March. So we are going to change the date. See, like this. Enter it to 4/25. Date cannot be above the current period. Okay, 1/5/4. Just give me a moment. I'm giving the current period only. Did I change the period? Thirty-one March 26. 1/4/25. Let's enter it again. Okay, it is done. Because current period date was changed. Let me show you once more. See, this was my screen. So receipt number 1, current period is 1st April 2025, and then when we just enter it, this was the steps. It will ask you accept, yes, it will only yes. Or all right, clear. Now we are coming to the next question. Received cash from Ramesh. So cash account debit to Mr. Ramesh account. Again, we are receiving something. Then it will be receipt note number 2. Receive voucher number 2. So account will be cash itself. Receiving cash. So it will be Ramesh. Okay. How much? 25,000. Enter. Again on account. See. Cash balance of Ramesh cash balance is 25, being cash deposited by Ramesh. 25,000. Enter, accept, again enter. Yes. Come to the next point. Paid cash to Tiwari. And now we are paying something. So if we pay something, we will use the voucher F5, that is payment. Now payment number 1. What we are paying? Paying cash to Tiwari. What we are paying? Cash we are paying? Through cash? Okay. We are paying to Mr. Tiwari. Okay. Tiwari, enter. How much we are paying cash to Mr. Tiwari? 37,000. Enter. On account, debtor, debit. Okay. Enter. Being cash paid to Tiwari of rupees 37,000. Again, accept. Yes. Next, purchase goods for cash. We are purchasing goods. So, is the goods is purchased on credit? No. We are purchasing the goods on cash. So, when we are purchasing any goods, we are paying something, we are paying the cash. So, it will come under the account payment working note, that is your voucher note number 2. We will enter cash because we are paying the cash. So when we are paying the cash, here itself you can see we have 88 balance of cash. So we are paying to Mr. Okay, nothing. We are purchased goods for cash. How much? It is 80,000. Purchase goods for cash 80,000. So we are purchasing. So we will purchase item, name of item, goods, what we are purchasing. See, we haven't created any of the item. See here, it is asking for the inventory allocations. We didn't have any goods name because we didn't have any goods, any stock name. So we will create this as a goods. Let it be under everything, nothing need to change in it. Yes. Goods quantity, nothing. We are having only 80,000. So 80,000. Enter. See. Done. Then being goods purchased of rupees 80,000 in cash. Is it okay? यहाँ तक clear है? बोलो. Is it okay till now? Okay. Then we'll just enter it again, accept. Now the last is purchase goods by check. So again we are purchasing something but from the check. Now we will having the bank account because we are purchasing from bank. Again we will purchase what we are purchasing, goods for how much amount? 20,000. 20,000. Enter. See, 20,000 current balance is red because we don't have any current balance left on bank account. So, because you are paying through bank, you have check number, you can enter here, you have amount, you have installation number, you have date, anything, interest date. Okay, here you will have to write being goods purchased by check, rupees 20,000. Is it okay? Is it okay till now? Okay. Then we enter the screen and whatever we have in the question for the 5 points we have discussed. Now see where you can find this. Suppose for the following 5 vouchers, I have made anything wrong, or I want to see whether my vouchers, like how many vouchers I have done, because we are not counting it now. By seeing the transactions, we are just pouring it into the voucher sections. So we are going to see that vouchers in debit. that is below the point voucher itself. So when you enter, see we have done 5 vouchers. There are 5 vouchers at the date 1st April, 1st April, 1st April like this, and we have Tiwari, purchase Mr. Alok and Ramesh. What type of voucher it is? We have purchase, payment. 3 payments we have done and 2 receipts we have done. That is voucher number 1, voucher number 2, voucher number 3. And here receipt to voucher number 1, receipt voucher number 2. How much debit amount? Debit 37,000, 80,000 and 20,000. How much we have credited? That is 1 lakh and 25,000. So if you have done anything wrong right here, if you have done anything wrong, you can just enter it and you can correct it over here. You can write here 38, just like this. Okay, let it be 37 only. Enter. Again, they will ask the same options, whatever we have just done yet. Okay, again you will just accept it. Everything is at the same. If you want to change anything, you can change from here, from the daybook option. If you want to see how many voucher you have done, you can see from here what the amount of debit here, what the amount of credit here, everything you have reported. Now if you see balance sheet, see we have balance sheet now. You don't need to match it. If anything difference created, it will notify here only. Okay, so it will your last topics, so no need to worry about it. Today we have done vouchers. I am discussing your vouchers for your homework. So do this at your home, at your homework, and then you can send me the screenshots of the daybook. Okay. See your 6th number, purchase furniture. So purchasing furniture, it means nothing is said here. That means it's cash. So cash is going out, furniture is coming in. So you will cash is already being done, your ledger account. So you need to create the furniture account first. Okay, furniture ledger, and then you need to just put it in the voucher. Now purchase machinery from John. You have to create the machinery ledger. You have to create Mr. John also. Okay, so from John means it is purchasing on credit. So you will have to not cash. You will have to account it in the this option. See, if you are having anything purchase on credit, you have to put on the purchase options. Okay, when you purchase it, supplier invoice number, if it is given, you can put it here, or if it is nothing given, just enter it nothing. If you don't have any debt, just enter it. Party name, here you have to create the very first John account, John ledger, and then you will choose Mr. John here, purchase ledger, and then you will have to record the machinery at the item section and the amount itself. Cash sales means cash account debit to sales account. Then again sold goods to Abhik on credit. Then again it will be comes under sales account because you are selling the product on credit. Okay. Then what goods? Return goods from Abhik. Then you are returning goods from Abhik. Okay, it is not you are purchasing something, not you are selling something, not you are receiving something, not you are payment something, nothing is on contra, it will comes under journal. So likewise, can you make the following transactions you have in your copy? Can you make? If you face any of the difficulty, mark it. When we will discuss again with the vouchers, we will discuss it again. Can you make this at your home? Is it clear how to make your vouchers from the following points: F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9? That's it. No need to done. No need to worry about for the F6. You have to need only F4 to F9. Can you make this journal or transactions at your home? Okay. So do it at your home, and whenever you get any problem, as you always ask me, so likewise you can ask me right here, or we will discuss in the next class. when we have for the tally classes, we will discuss over there. Okay, so vouchers is already done. Let me give you the points, what the syllabus you have. We have done with the company creation, we have done with the ledger creations. Okay, and we today we have done with the accounting vouchers. Today we have done with accounting vouchers. Okay, so we have inventory vouchers when we will know about the stock, how to maintain the stocks, how to done with the stock, and then we will go with, likewise we will go with the audit processing. After doing the stock, we will go with the go down process, likewise we will go. So today we have done the accounting vouchers also. So do it at your homework. Whatever the entries you have in your copy till yet, I have discussed with you in your classes. So done in your homework, and practice in your tally at your home. And don't use mouse. Try to skip your mouse and do it from your keyboard itself. And yeah, whenever you can make, just putting the entries, just putting the vouchers, just make sure to learn this shortcut keys. F4 for the contra, then comes under the payment, comes under the receipt, that is F5, F6, then journal, then sales, then purchase. You have to record or memorize like this, please. Okay, so do it at your home, and I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. And if it is done, let's over this class right here. Just do it everything at your home, and try to make the solutions. And don't use mouse. Again, I'm telling you, because for the tally, the students who actually know what tally is, how to work with it, they don't use mouse here. Okay, I'm just using it to make you show what point I'm looking to make you understand. Is it okay now? Okay, then thank you. Do the homework at your home. Okay, thank you.